Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This unboxing video is for a Sony Soundbar HT-ST5000. It is a 7.1.2 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos, and the soundbar has 11 internal speakers which plays sound in different angles so that you get the feel of a home theater. And the package only has a soundbar and a subwoofer, and there are other features such as 4K HDR and high-res audio, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. And let's get on with opening the box up. Also, on the side note, the box weighs over 60 pounds, so be careful when lifting it up, as it's not a single person lift job while moving the box. I ordered this from Amazon, so now let's cut open the box and see the internal contents. Okay, cutting the box up. Also, there are some arrows here pointing the angle that the box has to be faced while opening it. So also the box comes with a remote and a grill for the soundbar and HDMI cable, but I'm not sure if the HDMI cable supports 8K or just 4K. Upon opening the box, first thing we see is a startup guide, and I guess this is the package. Here says start. I guess this has some basic documentation and the HDMI cable. Yeah, so there is the remote. You have AAA batteries that go into the remote, and a HDMI cable which seems to be about 2 feet, and it has a wall mount template and operating instructions and I guess the warranty card. So that is in the box, and there is the startup guide with images and how to set it up. And the box also has a proper sealing so the soundbar doesn't move in the thermocol, or even the thermocol doesn't relocate positions. So there seems to be enough space between the subwoofer, the gap between the subwoofer and the thermocol layer, and the subwoofer seems to be really heavy. So I'm going to place this aside while we get the soundbar out. So this is the grill for the soundbar. I guess this is the front grill to cover the speakers. So let's put that aside and open that soundbar, which is hidden in this underneath panel at the bottom of the box. Okay, so the soundbar is quite heavy as well. So let's get all these boxes aside and see how the soundbar looks. So opening the subwoofer first. So it has a nice protective player, and it's taped. So while we get that open, because I guess there is tape down below as well, and also there is some extra taping on the back that covers the power cable. Let's get that. So also, if you look at it, the bottom of the subwoofer is designed in such a way that it takes minimalistic space, and the subwoofer is located below, and there is a Sony branding and the top here. So the finish also seems to be different. It's kind of like a glossy straight streak for the subwoofer. Let's open the grill. So this is the grill that goes at the front of the soundbar to cover up all the speakers. So would have expected it to be pre-set up before even receiving it, but it seems that the grill hasn't been set up, and we have to set it up ourselves once we receive the soundbar. So, and just don't want to lie it down flat because the speakers currently don't have any grill covering them. So, let's open this up. So now continuing on, let us fix the grill. So for the grill, there are two nooks, and the nooks are also present there. And also just before that, as you can see, there are two speakers on top, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 speakers. And there are, let's see if there are any at the bottom. And there doesn't seem to be any speakers at the bottom, so it only has 9 speakers. Let's fix the grill up. Okay, so the grill seems to be a magnetic grill, so you don't have to push it in or such. Just go over the grooves and it fixes them. And with the grill, it actually looks nice and sleek. You cannot see any of the speakers, and also underneath there is a small display bar here, which one plugged in, I think it will display the input that is selected for the speaker. So yeah, it's easy to fix it. And there are other controls at the top of the soundbar. There is a power, there is input source, Bluetooth, there is a music play speaker. This also has a feature where you can play Spotify from your phone, and it recognizes the last played position and continues from there. And the volume up and down button. And on the other side, it has the NFC feature, and it has a USB port, which you can plug any USB device into it to be able to play. Let's plug it up. So it's been hooked up now to power. Let's power it on. So it says please wait on the display here. I think it's doing a first initial boot up. It still keeps displaying please wait. And the subwoofer has a green light glowing on top of it. So it says TV is connected, but let us quickly see if we can play by Bluetooth. So I have a Samsung phone now. I want to see how a sound test works on it. So I do see HT-ST5000 in Bluetooth devices. Waiting to see if I get a feedback once I connect it. So it displays here that a Galaxy S10 Plus has been connected, which is really cool. So now let me play test 7.1 surround sound and see how the speaker handles it.
This is the left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel. This is the right surround channel. Now the right rear surround channel. Next, the left rear surround channel. This is the left surround channel. The next sound you'll hear is the LFE channel.
So as you can see, all different speakers have been tested and all seem to trigger during that test. So this is the end of the unboxing video for Sony HT-ST5000 7.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos speaker or soundbar with subwoofer. Thanks guys for watching the video.